Okay, in this question we have a sample of 64 anything, people or something, but we know that the sample size is 64 and we need to find the probability of a sample mean being less than 24.3. Okay, but notice that it's for a sample mean. So this is the X bar for the sample that has 64 elements. So what you are given is that the mean of the population is 24 and the standard deviation is 1.25. So what you need to do now is to find the probability, that's the question, that X bar sample mean is less than 24.3. And this, since the sample has more than 30, this is bigger than or equal to 30, it's much bigger than 30, so we can use the Z table for this by changing it to the Z score. So this will be X bar minus mu over sigma, but the only difference here is that you divide by the square root of the sample size. And you want this less than 24.3 minus the mean is given 24 divided by the standard deviation is 1.25, and we divide this by radical of the sample size n, which is radical 64. You know that radical 64 is 8. So now this you can write it as the probability that the Z score for the sample mean is less than, if you compute this number here, you will get 1.92 exactly. And so now you just need to find in the Z table, you need to find the area, which is the probability to the left. So this is immediately you can use the Z table for this because it's less than. So we go to 1.92, 1.9 is here, and 0.02 is here. So it is this value there. And so this value, I'll write it big, 0.9726. So we just go back and write it here. The probability that Z is less than 1.92, this is what the Z table is for. And so we found that it's 0.9726. And this is our answer. That's the probability that the sample mean is less than 24.3. So the answer is here. And if you want it as a percentage, of course, it's 97.26%. And this solves this question.